Okay guys, it is Friday, July the 30th. How is that even possible? This year is well over halfway over. Kind of hard to believe. It just seems like yesterday was January the 1st and we were hoping for a better year. Anyway, Friday, July 30th, and I don't have a whole lot going on today. The bed plans and everything went out last Friday. If you haven't seen it, go back and take a look at it. Turned out amazing. My granddaughter absolutely loved it. So the plans went live over on Etsy. They're moving along pretty good. So I have spent this week cleaned my shop up really well-ish for a shop tour that I'm going to be doing next week, next Friday. Yes. So, as I said before, doing that bigger project is the first time I've done a bigger project in probably a year and a half or more. And it really made me realize how bad my shop was as far as flow and ease of everything. So that's going to be changing. So my first plan is to do a drill charging station. I'm doing it a little bit different than anything that I have seen before. I watched probably 20, 25 videos and everybody had something that was kind of similar, but nobody really had anything that I wanted. So I drew it up. I actually drew two up. I'm going to build mine for 6 drills. Even though I've only got 2 at the moment, I want to be able to grow into it. But I did 2 sets of plans, one for 6 and one for 4. And this thing is completely different than anything that I've seen before. So it's going to be interesting. Make sure you guys check in on that in a couple of weeks. But that is pretty much it. A clean-ish shop, some plans drawn out, and that's pretty much it, guys. A happy granddaughter with a bed. So, if you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. It's got a Montessori floor bed. Didn't realize that was even a thing, but hey. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a good week, and I will see you next week or see you in one of the videos here. Thank you.